Hi, this is Sarah Bundy with All Inclusive Marketing, and I'm here with Todd Crawford, co-founder of Impact Radius. And today we are going to be talking about affiliate program tracking software and how to pick the right affiliate tracking platform that's suitable for you. So Todd, first of all, thanks for joining me.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me.
Perfect. So could you actually just answer the question, and according to your industry expertise and your experience, being one of the owners of one of the more well-known and advanced affiliate program tracking solutions, how does a merchant or someone who's looking to get into affiliate marketing pick the right tracking platform for them?
Well, I'd like to also just preface that I've actually worked for 3 different companies that provide affiliate tracking software platforms. So I do have a lot of experience in understanding what's important and how that's evolved. But I think what every advertiser needs to first decide is what's important information that they need tracked with the conversion. A lot of people, if they're doing a sale or a lead, have some basic information, but comparing where we were 10 years ago and where we are today, there's so much more information that can be captured and analyzed, and the term big data gets thrown out a lot. So it's really important to make sure that you're able to capture as much information about your business and about the customer being referred by your partners as possible, so that then you're able to get good reporting on top of that, which is kind of, I guess, a different topic. So I think that's the first thing to understand, is that you're able to capture all the data that's important to your business. The second is that the tracking technology needs to be multi-layered, meaning it can't really rely on a single tracking methodology, because the internet is imperfect. I mean, we're on Skype. We could drop this call at any minute. Just things happen on the internet. So you really want to try to incorporate more than one tracking methodology, so that together they provide the most accurate tracking. And that's important for several reasons. One, you're agreeing to pay your partners for every sale that they referred, and so of course you want to track and pay them for every sale. And some systems have a high percentage of breakage, as we've seen, as high as 30% of the sales not tracking. So it's important to get one that works. Plus, if you track every sale, then you get credit for doing your job, right? So everybody wants to see all the sales come through. So I think a multi-layer tracking solution is very important. So those are probably the 2 biggest things to look for, and just the tracking side. I guess how easy it is to integrate, whether you want to use a pixel type tag, which really can be more of a JavaScript nowadays, or an iframe, or whether you want to capture that data and store it on your servers and then transmit that data back to the technology by web services or FTP. So those are other things to consider in choosing a platform.
So just going back to, let's say you're a merchant and you know that you have the option of having an affiliate program software that you could have in-house. You could partner with potentially with an affiliate network, or you could potentially partner with a solution such as yours, which is more of the technology that allows people to be successful, not so much on a network side or an in-house software that's downloadable. But how would you recommend that a merchant goes about selecting one of those 3 different options, and which one is best and right for them?
Well, the first thing I would want to understand is probably what their business model is. I mean, in this example, let's assume that it's a consumer-oriented product that people love to buy and use. So it has high appeal, and the brand is of medium to large size, meaning people would recognize the brand. In that case, and depending on the company, if you're working with an agency or you have internal resources that have done this before for similar companies, they probably know who the partners are that are going to matter most to your campaign. I mean, the truth of the matter is most companies I talk to, they have between 10 and 20 partners that are driving 90 to 95% of the results. So if you already know who those partners are, you're probably going to want to find a solution that maybe is more cost effective. Some of the network models charge on a percent of spend or commissions paid to your partners. And depending on how large your channel, that can be a very expensive way to go. Downloading software and putting it on your own servers, it may make it very difficult or impossible for some of those top partners to even work with you, because they have certain data and integration requirements. So you need to find a solution that already is working with the types of partners, or can work with the types of partners that you want to partner with, and then kind of look at the economics around that.
Great. So, in relation to Impact Radius and your solution, what's the best way that someone can reach out to you and learn more about what Impact Radius does?
Well, they can go to our website, impactradius.com. They can email me, Todd, Todd, at impactradius.com. I'd be happy to answer any questions or get them in touch with certain people on our end that might know more about what they want to know than me.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Todd. I appreciate your time.